In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go incognito mode in Google Chrome. Incognito mode is Chrome's built-in way to browse without saving your history, cookies, or site data on your computer once you're done. It's perfect when you're using a shared device or you just don't want today's searches to auto-suggest tomorrow. I'll show you the menu method first, then a quick keyboard shortcut, and finally how to close it properly. To open an incognito window from the menu, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. That's the More menu. Click it to open the list of options, then choose New Incognito Window. A separate window will appear with a darker theme and a little spy icon in the corner, letting you know you're in incognito. You can browse normally here, open new tabs, and sign into sites if you choose. A quick note on what this mode does and doesn't do. While incognito won't keep a local record of the pages you visit, the files you download and the bookmarks you create will still be saved on your device. Also, it doesn't make you invisible to websites, your employer or school, or your internet provider. Think of it as keeping your browsing off this computer's history, not as full anonymity. Extensions are turned off by default for extra privacy. If you need one, you can enable it for incognito in its settings. When you're finished, close incognito to end the session. You can click the X on the top right of the incognito window, or on a Mac, the close button on the top left. Make sure you close every incognito window you opened. If even one remains, that session is still active and its tabs are still signed in. There's also a faster way to open incognito with the keyboard. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl, Shift and N together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift and N. The shortcut works from any Chrome window and instantly opens a fresh incognito session, no mouse needed. That's all there is to it. Use the menu when you want a visual path or the shortcut when you want speed. Remember, incognito helps keep your browsing off this device, but it's not a shield from websites or networks. Close all incognito windows when you're done and you're good to go.